Hey y'all, Mark here.
And Martha.
And welcome to the Sharp family. In today's video, I'll be installing the laminate flooring in our master bedroom. And Ezekiel's gonna help.
Stick around to the end and I hope you enjoyed the video.
I want to take a little time and say thank you to our subscribers and all the new subscribers. We really appreciate you watching our videos and all the feedback that we've gotten. We really appreciate it. All the interactions we have in the comments. For those of you who are just coming onto our videos, our trailer is a double wide 1975, and we've been in there. We've owned it since March of 2022, and we've been slowly fixing it up, replacing everything. And we've gotten all of our floors secondhand, so from the marketplace, on the Facebook, or well, that's pretty much it. Yeah, all of our floors we've gotten from marketplace and for good deals. So if you're in the market for a floor, keep your eye out. Got to look every day because good flooring goes really quick on those places. But we've been putting walls up and switching the paneling out to drywall in areas that we want, and it's really come a long way. So this is our master bedroom here, and it's hard to believe that a month and a half ago it was completely filled with stuff. It was like a storage room.
Carpet was still down. It was just a hot mess.
Yeah, the carpet was down. It was no good. While we were doing this flooring, we were sleeping in our living room again.
Right.
We took the bed out there and everything.
Yeah.
But just want to say thanks again to the subscribers. We really appreciate you guys watching our videos, and like I said, any questions you have or any feedback you want to give, go ahead and leave a comment.
Thanks again. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, join our family. We really appreciate your support.
Dress up inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your eyes. Let it all show. Pave the way for the ones behind. Be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out. I said, be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Alright, yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. On Saturday, we will be dropping the finished look of the bedroom. So turn on your notifications and be on the lookout for that. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And as always, be safe, stay sharp, and God bless. Bye.